Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
Well, we don't have much time, so we're going to do all of our grocery shopping here at Walmart. Come with us.
All right, let's get to it.
1 pack of bread for $1.
We're grabbing 2 boxes of cookies and cream fake and Pop-Tarts for $1.78. Still
No matter what the label says, that's not right. So we have picked up some things that will get us rebates from Ibotta. What we recommend is to make sure that, one, you're being very cautious of making sure that what you buy is something you actually use and you know you will use it. And then second, that you don't jump at the larger sizes, and we'll show you examples of that. But so we're going to go through this and show you what we got, and we're going to tell you how many rebates we're getting from it, and if it was enough to get us the free turkey rebate offer. Okay, so we're going to point out those things as we get to them. We were around a lot of loud music, so we didn't record in those sections. In fact, I'm hearing music now, so we'll see. Okay, so this is just sour cream for our recipe. $1.16. I'll put the prices on the screen too. This is for a recipe, and it is $3.98. No rebates on that stuff. Okay, these Pringles, $1.96. Now Joel, instead of getting Cheetos, he got Fritos. Now the reason why did he get Fritos? Because we had a rebate for Fritos. And as you can see, he also got the smaller bag. This is the smallest bag you could get with the rebate. And that does count, should count toward unlocking the turkey. So that's one. Also, there's a possibility that he'll get an extra 10 cents off that rebate as well. Then we have the Snapped, and he'll get money back off of that rebate, and potentially another 10 cents because it was crackers. So the Fritos and the Snapped may count as 4 different rebates because of that. Not sure yet. We'll let you know. We got some cookie dough, and that is, we always have cookie dough on the day that we put up our Christmas tree, so we went ahead and got some so that we would have some for whenever we decide to put it up. All right, so we had a rebate for Old Spice deodorant. You had to buy 2. And Joel and our son both used that deodorant, so that was a good choice because now they have an extra thing of deodorant whenever they need one, and we'll get 1 rebate off of that. Our son uses the Old Spice body wash, so we went ahead and got that, so he'll be stocked and good to go for a while on body wash, but he did have to buy 2, and I think it's $3 back, but so that'll count as 1 and 2 rebates there. Then Crest mouthwash. I used mouthwash and was actually getting low on it, so that worked out really good. So we'll get a rebate off of that. So that's another one. So, and then this is my facial cleaner of choice. Also had a rebate for it, and I was probably about halfway through the container that I already have. So that's another rebate. Okay, and this is what I was talking about, getting the smaller sizes. We had rebates for toilet tissue. They do have it for Cottonelle and Charmin as well. And we, instead of buying 1 big one, we got 2 small ones that will get us $1 each back, but also it will count as rebates. So that's 1. You could do it up to 5 times, so I could have just gotten 5 of these and gotten 5 rebates, I think. We'll let you know for sure if it works that way, but that's 1. And then 1 underneath, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and possibly 1, 2 more would be 10. And because we already had 3, because what I did after they came out with their thing was I went ahead and scanned a receipt just to see if I had anything that would pop up that was a rebate, and it did. And so it's already counted 3. So I only needed 13. So that's possibly 10. So there's a potential that when we're done with this, which we're also going to grab a Mountain Dew at the register. That's gonna be one more, that'll make 11. So we're getting very close to unlocking the turkey just by buying things that we did in fact need. Make sure that you're getting things that you will use and will need if you want to open up that turkey, okay?
I grabbed 2 jars of the Ragu Simply traditional pasta sauce, marinara sauce. One is for pizzas and the other one is for a recipe we're going to do.
Okay, and we're grabbing 1 thing of spaghetti because we're going to make spaghetti and meatballs, and that's 92 cents. Okay, and we're getting 1 can of tomato sauce for 44 cents. No salt added. Here's going to be another experiment. Now, y'all may be looking, going, why are you getting a turkey when you're doing the rebates for a free one? We want to use the free one for Christmas, so we went ahead and got this one for Thanksgiving, and it's only. We were a little shocked because what it says up on the thing is 98 cents per pound. We even asked one of the employees that was putting out turkeys, were these really 98 cents per pound? And he said yes. And the reason why is because on the tag it still says $1.48. But y'all know what? Aldi was showing $1.07 per pound as their 2019 Thanksgiving Rewind offers was $1.07 per pound. So this is cheaper. So we went in and grabbed it. And we'll see, but like I said, if we get the free one, we're going to use that one for Christmas, not for Thanksgiving. So we just have to find a way to keep them in the freezer. Bless you. We just have to figure out a way to keep them in the freezer. All right, 2 cans of black beans, and those were 78 cents. And we also grabbed 2 of these. We use these on our turkeys every year at Thanksgiving, and they are, he don't know, they were on an end cap, so he's checking to make sure.
440.
Well, make sure that hadn't been, the seal hadn't been broken on that. All right, and we got 2 bags of long grain rice. There's not many bags, and so I think that's why he grabbed 2 of these small ones. How much are these?
82.
82. Okay. And he ran and replaced it because that was loose on it. We didn't want to, I don't know why the seal was broken on it, so we took that one back. But anyway, okay. 84 cents for some corn because we're going to make some cilantro lime chicken, and we use bagged frozen corn in that. Okay, we're getting some Parmesan cheese. $5.14. 1 French bread for our son, and what's that say?
$1.47.
$1.47. Okay, so we're gonna do taco stuffed potatoes. Y'all have seen us do that before. We're getting 4. Those 4 are for Joel and our son, and they will eat them one night plus leftovers the next night. And then we'll get me 2 of the sweet potatoes, and I'll have one night and one the other night. So, and we will put the prices or the totals of the potato price on the screen. And we're grabbing some baby spinach for a recipe, $2.98. We're gonna grab us some more garlic. Look around, look for a good one. There we go. I don't see any blemishes on that one. I don't know which one of those prices are right, but it's always marked as per pound, and these things don't weigh a pound, so it'll be less than that. We'll put it on the screen. $1.87 per pound for 3 heads of broccoli. We put the total on the screen. Okay, Joel is going over there to grab some cilantro. We'll find out what that price is. In the meantime, I'm going to grab 2 limes over here, and I think they're 25 cents each. So what was the price of the cilantro?
No price on it.
Okay, so we're gonna play guess what that price is when we get up to the register.
Yeah.
And another thing that we're gonna grab is this Hellman's mayonnaise. And the reason why is because I have some tuna in my stockpile that's gonna expire soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that up by making some tuna salad. And guess what? I have an Ibotta rebate for it, so that'll be another one. We got some cheese tortellini. If you've ever seen it, our Cajun tortellini soup recipe that we shared, that we got from somebody else, but we shared it, how to make it. That is what this one is for, so we're gonna have that again. It is one of our favorite things ever. So good. Okay, so this would be one of those few things that we didn't really need it, but we're gonna get it just to get the 13. And I've been wanting to try this flavor just to see. Obviously, this is a lot more than we normally buy in one shopping haul, and like I said, we don't normally spend as much on household essentials, but we are like using it as an opportunity to stockpile and possibly get a free turkey for Christmas. So we'll see how much we actually spent on all of our groceries. We take the toiletries out of our household essentials line, but we will tell you what the total was at the end so that you know how much we really spent. And how many Ibotta rebates that we got off of it and all that stuff, and how much we got back, and then if we actually got our turkey rebate to open up.
All right, so it's the next day. Now, we finished our grocery shopping yesterday. We came back today to finish off the list for the free turkey.
We had some other stuff to do in town too, so we decided to go ahead and try to get the 3 rebates.
Yep.
Yeah.
And so we did finish those off.
We got 1 extra pack of toilet tissue, 1 extra pack of Fritos for Joel for next week, and so he's good to go for 2 weeks on chips. And we grabbed 1 more Mountain Dew, the fruit quake, which is supposed to taste like fruit cake, and so I don't have high hopes for the taste of this because I don't eat fruit cake. But I'm like, okay, I'll give it a test. Okay. I'll try it out. But anyway, so we did those 3. We wanted to show you kind of like ways you can maximize those Ibotta rebates to actually make it equal the 16 or however many that you have to get. You do have until November 18th to open up the turkey thing, but there may be limited quantities, so you want to make sure that you're quick about it. We have already checked and it opened up the turkey for us. What it says is it's up to a $14 butterball turkey, which is probably a little more on the expensive side of the turkey, so you might have to add some money to it, and probably will not be a free turkey unless it is a small turkey.
But we'll let you know when we go get ours.
Yeah, we'll let you know. And we basically did this because we wanted to show you what you have to do to get that to open, and also to tell you that once you get that open, it says that we have to redeem 4 more rebates to open up the sides. I don't know that we will bother because they were cranberry sauce,
chicken gravy
and Jiffy cornmeal mix, which Joel doesn't like sweet cornbread. So let's just say, so you have to do like 4 more to get those 3 to open up. But if those are items that you like, maybe. I don't know that it's worth it because you'll only have 4 days after you get the rebates in there. You have to the 23rd to get those. So you're gonna have to be pretty quick about getting other rebates, and you don't want to use up rebates on things that you don't need just to get like, what did I just say?
Cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce and the corn Jiffy cornmeal mix here's only 60 cents.
Yeah.
So you want to be careful about using rebates just to get something that's just 60 cents free. I would think.
All right, so here's our total for the week.
That is on groceries.
Yep.
And we said we would include our household essentials total. We don't always show that, but since we were showing it for the Ibotta stuff, we'll show you how much we actually spent on household essentials. And then we're also going to show you how much we actually got back on Ibotta as a total between the 2 shopping trips. All right,
let's move on to our meal plan.
Yes,
let's
do our meal plan. All right, we're going to start with the Rotel chicken soup. And like we've mentioned before, this is a recipe that we have been perfecting, and we will be sharing that probably in January.
And then we'll do meatballs and spaghetti.
Another thing that's not really a recipe, is just something that we're going to do. We had some, I've been getting these stir-fry kits, and it had, we had one that was teriyaki, 2 that were garlic chicken, or, no, that's not right.
Ginger garlic chicken.
Ginger garlic chicken, and packets that came in it. And the recipe that I was using for the stir fry didn't include those packets. So we're just going to take some chicken and rice and stuff, and we're going to put that ginger garlic packet in there and just see what we come up with. We don't know what it's going to be like, but it's just like playing around in the kitchen. So that's what we're going to do.
And so if you see a recipe alert anywhere on the screen while we're doing these, then you know that's a recipe that's already in our recipe playlist. If you don't see that, you can vote on that for the recipe of the week, and we'll do that at another time on a Wednesday.
Yep.
All right.
Then we're gonna have some taco stuffed baked potatoes, and we generally have leftovers from that the next night.
Yep. And then we're gonna do cilantro lime chicken.
Homemade pizza.
Then we have leftovers from the cilantro lime chicken. We usually do burritos with that.
Yep. And then the next day we're gonna have cheeseburgers.
Then we're gonna do chicken and broccoli stir fry.
Cajun tortellini soup.
We usually have leftovers from that.
New recipe, baked, skinless, boneless chicken thighs.
And then pizza on Saturday.
And we're gonna have pulled pork that we have already made and have in the freezer the next night.
All right, so drop us a comment below and let us know what you'd like to vote on for recipe of the week. We'd love to hear that. If you have a recipe you'd like us to try, let us know in the comments below. We don't try everything. If we don't try it, or if it's not something that's for our palate, then we'll try to find a video that we can share with you that would be for that particular recipe. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekend, sometimes in between. You kind of never know. We're going to drop one in there. With that said, that's going to do it today for The Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.